We got the A string bass note, and then we have going down the strings, 6, 6, 4, open. Going down from the D, G, B, and E, 6, 6, 4, open. So the A is a pickup note. We got. So once we got to the E, we came back, second string to third string. And then we're gonna have this chord here. That's gonna be starting on the A string, 6, 6, 6, and 7. Now later on, we're gonna have one where you might bar that whole thing all the way down to the little 6, but the highest note we hear on this chord is that 7 on the second string. So once again, we got. Again, you kind of whammy bar a little bit, hold that out. Same riff, and then. So here I took that 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, slide it up 2 to the 7. Go back, got a little whammy bar. Then we're gonna have. So we have a couple of trippy little riffs in here. So 5 and then 9 on the G. Quick open D string. And then 7, open 10 on the D string. So. Okay, then we have an open 5, open, kind of hammer on, pull off on the G string. Little whammy bar again. And then we end with this strange chord here where we have a F sharp in the bass, big 4 there. We have a 3 on the third string. We're gonna take the 6 to 5 on the second string. So just kind of a strange chord that happens there. And then we're back to. Now this time we're gonna do the whole thing, 6, 6, 6, 7, 6. We're gonna go. So we have a cool riff here. We have 6 on the A, kind of a pickup note. And then we go 6, 8, 9 on the D string. 6, 8 on the G. 7, 6 on the B. So it's. So it ends with 9, 7, 6 on the B and 8, 6 on the G. Okay, so that's that little riff there. So we got that D bass note, and then we have 6, 6, 4 in the bottom 3, and then big E bass to 4, 4, 2. And that's where we first see our first kind of 3 whammies in a row there. Okay, so let's look at everything so far. We got. And sometimes you have like a. Next part. 6, 6, 4, big E. 4, 4, 2. Okay, then we start the big chord thing. We got. Okay, so our first chord was 4, 4, 4, 5, 4. And then we have 7, 7, 9, 9, 7. And then we have open, big E, and then 11, 11, 11, 12, 11. We go back to that 7, 7, 9, 9, 7. Then we go back to a 4, 4, 6, 6, 4. With 3 of those whammies in a row there. Let me check my tuning real quick here. Little whammy bar thing. I'm trying to stay in tune here a little bit, you know. We're gonna do that whole thing again. You might go. And then we have this. Okay, then we're gonna have. So that's a B major chord with the E bass, so it's open 2, 4, 4, 4. We have some trippy kind of little improv kind of chordal parts in here. So when he goes from that B, it goes A, up to the 9th, so 2 to 9, and then 7 to 12, back to 9. So it's. 2, 4, 6 on the big 3 strings. And this is one kind of like What's New in Baltimore, where you have that, you're going 2, 4, 6, and then a chord of 6s on the G and B strings down there. It takes a stretch and a tight hold on that one there for that. And it'll kind of come into a, so like 4s on the G and B, to 9s to 6s. And that might not be exactly right, but he's doing some different things each time, so each one's really cool. And then we're gonna have a, kind of has one of those slides down before each one. So 3, 5, 7 with 7s. This one kind of goes 5s to 7s, up to 10s and back to 7s. We got 5, 7, 9 with 9s. Not a lot of time on this one because we get back into the. See, I'm not trying to make it too low or anything, because we want to feel like it's in tune all the time also. Okay, then we have that B with the E bass. And it doesn't do the same thing each time with those fills and stuff. You got kind of an overdubbed guitar does the fills anyway. Back to the opening riff. Now at the end of this we have 0, 2, 4, 6, kind of a whole note scale. 4 to open on the A, and then we have a little riff here. We got 6 on the G, and then 9, 7, 6, and back up, and then to the 6 on the D string there. And then we got 6, 7 to 9 on the A, and then we have a crazy little chord here. So I've got a 7 on the A string, open B, and a little C down here in the 8th fret. That's kind of as close as I can get to that one. You can definitely do that one a few different ways. Okay, and that sets up the guitar solo, which is going to be C minor 7. So that's 9, 11, 9, 9, 9, 9. F sharp 7, which is 9 on the A, 9, 8, 9, 7. Second bar, third bar, fourth bar, F sharp 7. Let's look at our C sharp minor pentatonic. Remember, Zappa would kind of come in that higher position. Okay, see that? So you guys get 14, 12, 9. Same on the second. Then you got 13, 11, 9. Now when you get to the F sharp 7, here's its arpeggio. 9 on the A, 8, 11 on the D, 9, 11 on the G, 11 on the B, 9 and 12. Back to C sharp minor.